Hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list by using data validation option. So over here we have a company name column and industry column. And the industry column is completely blank. And over here we have few categories for the industry column. So as we have few categories, we are going to create a drop-down list by using data validation. So here it goes. First we need to select the range and then click on data and then click on data validation. After that, over here we need to select list option as we are creating a drop-down list, and we need to select the source. So this is our source. After that we need to click on OK. So as you can see, the drop-down is created. So as we have a few categories for the industry column, we have created a drop-down list. So this is how we use the drop-down list, the validation option. By using validation option, we are able to create a drop-down list and for the industry column. So this is simple, right? Well, thank you for watching. See ya.